Hey guys, Jip here, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be doing a bit of an unboxing. It's been a while since I've done the last one, and today we are unboxing the Astro C40 controller. If you didn't know, I am sponsored by Astro, and I gave a little bit of feedback on this, but now it has officially launched. I will have a link to the stream where I showed off both the controller. I did a bit of a Q&A. I'll leave that down in the description if you wish to see it. Also in the description there will be a link to, in the event you went to purchase the Astro C40 controller, where you can save 5% off by using it. You will see it just before you check out. But we're gonna go ahead and open up this bad boy. This is the kit that they sent to me, and it's probably not gonna be the same thing that you end up getting, but I'm gonna go ahead and show off this sexy bad boy as is. So, if you can go ahead and see, my light is too bright. It's a big old honking box. And to open it, we have to pull it out from the side like so. Pull-out game is strong. And then we simply flip open this lid. And right off the bat, we have this nice, I want to say inscribed fiberglass maybe? And I can't remember what this, plexiglass, my bad. Showing off the controller, the buttons, and many other things about that, which is really cool to actually see in the box. Now, most likely what you shall be receiving when you order the Astro C40 controller is this bad boy. This is how it's going to most likely look when it comes to you. And as per usual, I have to fight to figure out how to get the tape off which sides of the boxes. Give me a moment, I'll be right back. And we are back, and I actually found my knife so I can cut open the tape so that we can actually slide this bad boy off this way and then slide it this way. Woo. So what most likely is going to come in your box right off the bat is this. This is what's going to be coming out of it, and inside is the good part. And yes, you do get a carrying case with the controller, and here we go is the nice sexy Astro C40 controller. Really nice. It's got a nice weight to it, smooth, very clicky buttons. Very good. Let's see what else comes in the box. We dig underneath, you will find your thumbsticks, your screwdriver that we can remove the faceplate, maybe change around where the thumbsticks location and the D-pad is. If you prefer an Xbox 360/1 setup, you can change it that way. Comes with 4 thumbstick toppers, and it comes with a USB device so you can hook it up to your computer in case you want to use the Astro software. Also comes with a nice handy cable that you can use to either hook it up to your PC or your PlayStation, of course. Now, other things that you could buy as an accessory to go with your C40 controller is you can get the D-pad kit if you would like to have the circular one or the replacement D-pad. You have also a 4-pack of tall sticks if you prefer having that extra little bit of sensitivity when it comes to aiming precisely. And you also have the medium stick pack. I'm probably gonna go with the one that is most like the standard PlayStation controller because I'm used to that. That's why I play on a higher sensitivity, but we should be good to go right off the bat. And the last thing that is coming with my kit will be this sexy red faceplate that I will definitely be putting on the controller as soon as I can. As you know that my favorite colors are red and black. This controller is gonna be right up my alley when it comes to my color scheme. And there we go. I have now switched out the faceplate on this controller, which you can do. Like I said, if you need any more information, I have over an hour worth of Q&A in a live stream that I will be leaving down in the description below in case you just want to get more insight. The amazing Fletch was there with me on stream to help answer any of the questions. He does work at Astro, so hopefully if you need a little bit more insight, he will be able to provide it to you in that live stream. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of this special kit that they sent out to me. And now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna go get some playtime with this bad boy. And if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like if you enjoyed the video. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Peace out.